Good morning, friend. So we will try an on-hand experience with Canva Pro. So how to create a carousel? This is a Canva website where you get to access your custom images, and I'm going to create a carousel. So I'm going to create a carousel of how many images. So we need to calculate that one. Let's suppose I'm going to add a 5 carousel image, then 5 into very into 1080. This is the size of the 5400. So width needs to be 5400. Sorry, 5400. And the height I need is a 1080. If you need to create a single image, then remember, please mention 1080 into 1080 pixel. So I'm going to create a new pixel design. My file is opening right now. Okay, we got temporary page. So I'm going to file, show ruler, or control shift R, and you can also select on show guide. Okay, and first I am going to select on the correctly mentioned here 1800. This is the first carousel image correctly mentioned as a 1800. Okay, let leave had this one, and another 1800 into 2. We got a 2160. So what we need to do is we need to ping on 2160. If there anything wrong, I am doing 1800. Oh, sorry, 1080. This is mentioned wrong only because 1080. So we got a particular point now, and I'm going to multiply 3 into 3240. Okay, so I'm going on 3240. 3240. 3240. Okay, so this is a random generated image, and 4 into 4320. Okay, 4320. 43. Okay, let's suppose I'm going to select on this one. Okay, so we got a total of 1 2 3 4 5 images are there already, and we want to add an element to that, or we can add anything we want to. Suppose we want to add a shape is nothing but we can add anything like this. This will be the better, and here I'm going to increase the size. Okay, then control G, control V. We got another image of the same type. So we got a total of 2 green images plus or you can drag it to the bottom, and you can drag again, and again you can copy here, and final image. Okay, so we want to change the background images, so we can change it by using the background color. If we select on control, yes, this is a duplicate page, and this is a add page section. So we got a necessary option to select on the particular this. Okay, now for another option is there where you can add images to the front. There is a Bitmoji website is very popular nowadays. Here you can have a look at it, and you can draw, you can add image, your own personal image, and you can add a background itself. And other than that, not only that, you can add many features. This is a background free image, so if I want to attach something, we can add it and upload just in whatever images I have added. Let's suppose I want to add this one. This is the name of the NGO I'm working at. So we can drag it and we can add a text here, add a subheading. You can draw created by UC and drag it inside that correctly order you want to, and you can increase the size, font size. You can also copy this one. Sorry, I have dragged that. Okay, you can copy this one and you can paste this one on the side. Okay, here I am going to add it, and Control C, Control V. You can add it again here, created by UC. Okay, again I'm going to copy this, Control V. I'm going to add here, and you can add this, Control C, Control V. You can add as many as you want, just to make sure that you design your own purpose of the goal. And you can add a text here, like if you want it, you can add some anything. Not an online sale, online support conference. We used to have held a conference here, so we want to change the size to 80. It would be perfect. Again I want to change it, once E comes before it. Okay, this is not fine. So we got a basic idea of how to use generate carousel. Love, peace and joy. This is also a good quotation, and you can add this. See, and this is where we want to change anything like motivational image, like NGO. Is there any motivational law? Okay, this is a photo where we need to check. I got NGO. I got the basic point. So we have an option in Canva where we can remove the background alone. So how we can remove the background? So to tell that you can go under the effect folder and background mover. If I select on this one, it will start eliminating all the background images, and let me know what background it trying to remove. It is removing accurately or not, let me know. It's still under processing. I don't know whether it remove our background or not, because there is nothing in the site. Nice, we got the basic idea. So this is how you can remove the background. And for splitting image, there is a website called pinetools.com where you can split images, And one more thing I want to convey is there is many things you can do with the Canva, and the Bitmoji is very popular, and Pine Tools is used to split everything into 5 pages. It will download all the 5 pages. You can download it, or you can transparent background is also there is an option. Okay, try to download. Let me know how it's generating. It's downloading right now. This is where you can split the images into 5. This is a very popular tool, and you can use it in Instagram also. And is there anything I'm missing right now? Tools. What is this? A number, date, time, free online tools. Okay. Here you get a variety of options where you can import colors. Okay, download it. Let us see what we are getting. This is the output of the image. We can split it into 3 images using Pine tool, or we can also split into 5 images if we want to draw anything inside those 2 sides, and you can split the images and post it into the Instagram. So that's all from our side. Thank you.